Okay, we want to learn a little bit about compound interest, and we have a formula here based on the one couple of objectives ago, where I said that A is equal to A naught times something that happens and the time it takes that thing to happen. In this case, the amount in account is equal to the principal times 1 plus the interest rate um, raised to the time that the amount is invested. Now, this 1 plus the interest rate is because after 1 year, I have my principal plus my interest rate times the principal. And I factor out a P, that is P1 plus the interest rate. After the second year, if no withdrawals are made, then I will multiply this amount times 1 plus the interest rate. So I'm earning interest on the interest from the previous year. And so that is after 2 years. And the formula derives from that. So I'm given that I have $4,500 in principal and that my rate is 12%. Now remember that percent is a decimal, it's out of 100, right? So 1.12, and that is raised to the time. Now I am asked to find the amount in the account at the end of 1 year, and so that is 45, well, let me write A of t so that we have a proper function notation. A of 1 is equal to 4,500 times 1.12 to the 1. And I'm going to do that in my calculator, although it can be done longhand. And I'm told not to do any rounding. Oh, it would help if I entered it in my calculator correctly. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Times 1.12. Okay, and this is $5,040. And then I'm asked to find the amount in the account at the end of 2 years, and that is A of 2, which would be 4,500 times 1.12 squared. And for that, I get 5644.8. Now I want to note that also I could have taken this answer and just multiplied it by 1.12 again. So 50.40 times 1.12 is still, or sorry, 5040 times 1.12 is still 5,644 and 80 cents. So, and then I also want to point out, let's see, do this. I also want to point out that this instruction to not do any rounding is unusual in a financial problem. In financial problems, we usually round to 2 decimal places because that's how we count money in this country. We count to the cents.